A loud roar echoed. The baby elephant stepped back in fear. What is it? This is lion.
Lion, 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 lion.
The lion was kind-hearted. What is it? Duck and elephant jumped in water. This is fish.
Look!
Oh, what is it? This is an elephant. The duckling was going back home when she saw. What is it? This is zebra. The zebra was very funny and cheerful. The forest became very dark and quiet. Oh my God! What is it? A lonely baby dino. This is Dinosaurs. He had no friends. Elephant, we are friends. He was a great singer. He sang a song. Look there, guys. What is it? This is monkey. Monkey started playing and jumping with everyone. What is it? This is a caterpillar. What is it? This is a turtle. When elephant touched it, it got scared and hid inside its shell. What is it? This is a rabbit. Rabbit gave them carrots to eat it. Everyone learned that fear disappears when we show kindness and care. Moral of the story: kindness brings everyone together and turns fear into friendship.